best show in the land, Sesla, with your boy Karma, aka Young Marley. And today we are deep in the ghetto, one of the most famous ghettos in Harare, Glenora. We up in here. There's a talent search show for the dancehall artists. My name is Karma. Don't ever forget that. So today we're gonna be filming all those hot artists in the ghetto who are dropping hot dancehall tracks. You know, we're going to be featuring all that. You're going to stay tuned into all that. We're going to have dancehall artists on your screen, Sesla. That's how we do right here. We're covering all the hottest events in the country. And that's what's happening right here.
Kugara diri dega, asina jodi desa, yin pasina jodi swesa, asina inaga. Puloda, puloda. Nana ye, dosi ye, nana ye. Patan, desa kugara diri dega, pasina jodi desa, yin pasina jodi swesa, asina inaga siva yija tungabira, tazone na pafeya kodi sino kairema. Kugara diri dega, pasina jodi desa, yin pasina jodi swesa, asina inaga siva yija tungamira, tazone na pafeya kodi sino kairema, kaita chaga naka, avambo pemberere, asichaga yipa jete chino tekeshere, amaziri miri, soskwera zazisive, kutitampinda totsika paziripo.
Vanoda kundi wisira pasi, avavenganga vachini batira makwati, avafari kundi wona ndine mari, andizive kuti ndakatadzei. Vanoda kundi wisira pasi, avavenganga vachini batira makwati, avafari kundi wona ndine mari, andizive kuti ndakatadzei.
Well, atembeka nemunhu ndototemba the creator, tiyakandisika ndiyanondichengetesa, anonsimudzira pavanotsikirira, vari moyo wakayipa ndivatumwa valusifo, asina mwari ndinoziva zvichaita, padeke papo zveshuwa chapasvika, chinyoronyoro kana paiginya nekuti ishe vanhu zvakangatsira.
Vanoda kundiwisira pasi, avavenganga vachinibatira makwati, avafari kundiona ndine mari, andizive kuti ndakatadzei. Vanoda kundiwisira pasi, avavenganga vachinibatira makwati, avafari kundiona ndine mari, andizive kuti ndakatadzei. Hamawe izvi zvakaoma, onditsikisira shamwari neveukama, ndonamata kuna mwari nemapinda kapfugama, vavengivo wanda kuvhura ngumaopama, chinovarwadza chi, chinovashota chi, vafare kundiona ndichitamba chipisi, vanoda kundiona ndakapinda muchiki, kundiwisira pasi ndoramba nikisi. Vanoda kundiwisira pasi,
avavenganga vachibatira makwati,
avafari
kundiona ndine mari,
andizive kuti ndakatadzei.
Flats, ndasuka wana kapiembi, kandi kutsaka kuswakwa neni, andisive ntoka laina here, kana kuti ndokasiya kachienda, niwe ndatilaina baby, shawatikari kuswakwa newe, tiri wako takuruma nzeve, sakasiye kana kada iwe, kandi spota ndiri eisi mairi, hazi rasta ini ndiri kufila airi munaskiri. Platinum, what me say? Let me tell you something. I tell them na say, Zaka wanaka single lady, Zaka wanaka potepo, Toka tita kunge first lady, Toka bata boshi raiti, Andika siye pangupa saiti, Jato dana nango Plati, Dazuka wanaka baby, Kandi utaka kuspakwa neni, Andisive toka laina here, Kana kutindoka siya kachienda, niwe ndatilaina baby, shawatikari kuswakwa newe, tiri wako takuruma nzeve, sakasiye kana kada iwe, kandi spota ndiri 8 mairi, hanzi rasta ini tiri kufila airi munaskiri, tazi munodiburitsa shairi, tikadana nembi tatopinda mawai, saka nda ndati iwe kapindire mukatusa kwarire pedyo kasvikire ichita kuti pauri iko kaperere muita waiti wedding isuti pembere plus tazokawana kapiepi kandi udzakari kusipakwa neni handizive tokalaina here kana kuti ndokasiya kachienda iwe ndatilaina bebi zvawatikari kusipakwa newe ndiri wako takuruma nzeve sakasiye kana dada iwe akaskachoki kamusveti takaona kanenge kane zveti iwe usakayitire masechi karatidze kuti ndiwe une tati platsi mira kani ndimbogaya masasi ndokaponda neshona kana kuti nevheti wapinda murudo saka nevhakobheki kataivhese mota usayise mabreki platsi tazokawana kapepi kandi udzakari kusipakwa neni handizive tokalaina here kana kuti ndokasiya kachienda iwe ndatilaina bebi zvawatikari kusipakwa newe ndiri wako takuruma nzeve sakasiye kana kada iwe kandisipota ndiri 8 mairi hanzi rasta ini ndiri kufila airi muneskiri kazi munondiburitsa shaini ndikadana nemi tatopinda mawaiti saka ndati iwe kapindire mukatusa kwarire pedyo kasvikire ichita kuti pauriko kaperere waiti wedding isuti pembere plus
Robert Z is in the building, there to see that his show goes as planned. Robert Z, introduce yourself to the Zimbabwean
Greetings, greetings, Zimbabwe.
Uh-huh.
I'm not the big guy. The fans are the big guys.
True that.
And the community.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No, we here in Glenora pushing our Ghetto Mashup.
Okay.
Ghetto Mashup is a program where we want to bridge the gap between uptown and downtown. Okay, and historically reggae okay, was played in community centers, in the downtrodden areas, the poor areas. Okay, which is why we come to the ghettos, and which is why we prefer to use community halls. We want to bring that whole community aspect. We also want to push a different trajectory in reggae music. You know, there have been clashes and what have you.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're trying to bring in a different aspect where we're saying we want a united front, one love type of thing. Yeah. So it's not about a clashing. We actually tell all performers, anybody who goes and performs as if they are clashing, we don't work with them anymore. Yeah. We want to promote one unity, one love, and, you know, working together as entertainers to see what we can come up with.
Right. Thank you very much. So, would have loved to talk to you more, but I think you've just answered all my questions. All right, you just answered all my questions.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much for being on the show. We appreciate it, and I'm sure the people at home are going to enjoy this ghetto mashup as much as the ghetto people themselves are going to enjoy this mashup and are going to take advantage of it.
No, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much
Really
for giving them an opportunity like this.
Okay, blessed.
Salute, you're still watching Sesla.
Article youth in the house. Your big up the ghetto massive. We there. Imi Rasta. Ndati Rasta. Akani Rasta. Rasta. Rasta, Rasta, Rasta. Ndati Rasta. Baby rangu harichandina. Rakatorwa nako jari kapiwa ngoda. Kana kuona fezi yangu. Yo. Politics. Yo, Denmark, the article youth people.
Now I'm standing with the stars that are going to perform inside the show, the dance artists that are performing, some of them. On my right, 3-star. On my left, Tompi. You know what's happening. But still, Nungwaregiza introducer by themselves.
Yo, what's up, Zimbabwe Massive? This is 3-star General Panyu. We are hosting a little something here at Glenora Hall. We are about to mash it up. I'm going to go on stage and perform.
But Nagan's around 5 stars.
Yeah, man. You know, just like happened, my producer, my promoter, you know, he just kind of like raised up the ranks because you are saying the level which you are in now. You know, it's a higher one. So instead of calling you 3-star, we're about to call you the original 5-star.
Tompi, introduce yourself, man.
Wagwan Zimbabwe. My name Tampi, aka the Pattern Monster.
Okay.
And we here at Glenora Hall to boast something up.
Saka magarongere vanu pa stage. What are you going to do on the stage?
You know, we're going through some people, you know, because 6 o'clock music, it is something, all right, that nobody's ever heard before. It's like chess moves. All right, when you say I'm going to draft and everything, but we're bringing chess moves, you know what I'm saying? Brook to queen, you know what I mean? So definitely it's checkmate, I feel real.
We dare to entertain the people, you know. We're not there to disappoint them. So right about now, we dare to put something different for the youth there, to educate them and entertain them at the same time, you know.
Definitely, I believe in you, man. Okay, so on another tip, Anditiga, what do you think about this dance or talent search that is being hosted in Glenora?
Yeah, right now, I think it's a privilege. Could it own such a talent search?
Yes.
But we know we're gonna make it. Glenora full of talent, you know.
Yeah.
Man.
True that. And for you, 3-star, when you look at this talent search, what comes into your mind? What do you how do you think it benefits Glenora as a community?
You know, I mean, there's no need to hide it. Everything is bound clear.
Yeah.
That Robert Z, you know, is here to take us to another level.
Yeah.
All right. So when it comes to marketing our things, you know, he's helping us making it a step forward.
You know what it is? This is Sesla, you're tuned in, and you know what's happening in the dancehall talent search that is going on in Glenora. Maybe your last words.
Yeah, man. We just want to sing something for the youth there. Yeah, man. And for the people there. You know. So we born everybody, especially child molester, you know. Yeah, man. So we say, kunyangwe kari pretty, kunyangwe kari sexy, ka underage, kunyangwe kari neat, kunyangwe kari sweetie, Tarisa age, kunyangwe kari pretty, kunyangwe kari sexy. Dash with that.
You know what it is? You
Yeah, man, on that tip, me here, if you bust it up for my hood, we kill people for free like kangaroos. You know what I'm saying, though? It's all about Glenora. Here we go, so, yo, welcome to Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy, the dollar sign. People, these are the 5-star general signing out. Love ya.
Peace. Salute.
Ayo. Ha. This are the 6 o'clock. Boy. Chop, we can fit take over the shop. Non-stop, boy. I lit, we are lit. Ha. The rest them follow. This are the general. Glenora, one to them. Say, welcome to Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy the dollar sign. Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy the dollar sign. Can you be so fat? Just 4767. Drop it for 6 o'clock. 20. Boo! Ayo. This are the 6 o'clock. Boy. Chop, we can fit take over this shop. I lit, we all lit. Non-stop. We run the block. Glenora one to them. Say, hey. Welcome to Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy the dollar sign. Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy the dollar. Can you be so fat? Those 4767. Drop it for 6 o'clock, 24/7. Check me at this up, you know, back up, just best man. Can't stop puffing, that would not freeze up. No smoke to the heaven, but you know about 3-star. The community legend, natural born killer. The killing of the 7 battle. Danny Hiroshima, Matata, Notion 11. Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy the dollar sign. Glenora, set our one pattern and designer. Haters, we show them the middle finger signer. Gangsters, we throw up the gun finger signer. Winner, wingster, winner, buffy. Well, come on, Glenora, so you have to end a dollar. This no man that rob with pana corner. This no man does a man a ragga through na girls then end up just call me Casanova. When we roll up with the soldier, better bojo took some boy, we coming for ya, we rolling for ya.
Hey Zimbabwe, what up? I'm Jamie C. I'm from Red Fox Sound.
Okay.
And yeah, we're here in the ghetto. It's just, it's just big. This thing is just big. It's just crazy, man. I don't know. I'm out of words. It's just crazy.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
And you?
Yeah, Easy Vibe.
What exactly is the plan behind this thing? What exactly are you expecting to do?
Oh, really? Let me just start from the beginning.
Yeah.
We started this whole thing in Mabuku. We've been to Mabuku, we've been to Chitumbiza, and now we are here.
Yeah.
So we don't clash, we splash. Because the whole thing about raga and dancehall out there was that when a sound meets a sound, when there's 5 sounds together, it's a clash. But we removed all that and said that we are splashing, we are not clashing. So we bring the people together. We are basically uplifting the soundmen, the ghetto youths, and the artists. That's the plan behind this whole thing.
All right. That being the plan, I'm going to ask you, Anditika, how you executed this plan, how you went about it, Anditika. How exactly?
All right. What we did is like this. We went into the ghettos.
Yeah.
We actually picked up some soundmen, sounds, DJs, artists. Then from all the ghettos, we went to. Then basically we're gonna give them certificates. Yeah. For like what? Be part of the international shows we host, e.g. like the Popcorn Welcome Party we hosted. Upcoming like what? We've got the Black Supremacy. Yeah, on the 28th. Exactly. So that's what we're gonna do to all the
All right, that's pretty good, man. That's development right there, and I appreciate that because you're uplifting the kids in the ghetto who might not have had a chance if it was not for you guys. You understand that, right? You don't. Okay, so for the artists that are going to make it for this show, I mean, the artists that you're going to pick up, like, no, I think this artist is good. What is your plan for those artists in the future?
Oh, well, you have to talk to my main MC, Ghetto Junior. He's the man behind all the artists and the other guys that sing and talk and blah, 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 blah.
All right, so Ghetto Junior, since you've just joined us now, you can tell us what's...
We're going to identify a couple of artists. We're going to have a couple of recordings. After the show, we're going to listen to the touch of the artist, the talent scout, something like that. So after this show, we're going to host a couple of shows, as Easy Vibe says. As he said, we're going to have a couple of artists, Charlie Blacks, Tyrus Riley coming from Jamaica, Ja Vinci, Robert Z is going to organize all of that. But then if we see your talent is up to date, you can really perform to our standard, then you can come perform to those shows.
Okay. All right. That's nice, man. That's wonderful. All right. So for you, the development manager, if you could just tell us what exactly is your job as the development manager?
All right. Basically, I organize everything. From scratch. I develop everything. I hook up all the artists.
All right.
Then we basically call them and have a show with them. After that, we can basically give them something in a token of appreciation.
All right.
That's what we do.
Okay. As for you,